Hi, if you would like to study how the electric vehicle powertrain behaves and what are the requirements to meet the performance of an electric vehicle, so we need to study that using the help of a chassis dynamometer. As a part of the Electric Vehicle Center of Competence, so we have the two-wheeler chassis dynamometer, which is as of now an inertial type of a chassis dynamometer. With that, we have the vehicle that is the Ather 450X, and also we have developed certain custom vehicles. So we are able to keep those vehicles on the chassis dynamometer and study them with respect to various different behaviors of the acceleration, and we can also modify certain parameters of the motor controller to study how the vehicle responds with respect to the parameters of the motor controller. As a part of this lab, so as the vehicle has been run on the chassis dynamometer, the data directly comes on the part of the screen here. So with this way, we are able to study the torque characteristics of the wheel, the RPM characteristics of the wheel, and also the power output at the wheel as well. So with this way, we can, with respect to Ather, so we can only study a few parameters, and we can also study if we can log the current data of the motor, current data from the battery, and also the voltage data of the battery. So we can be able to get to know a lot of various different design aspects of the battery or the motor and motor controller as well. But when we deploy the custom developed vehicles where the new development is going to happen, where we can tune a lot of parameters of the motor controller, and the same way we can give the required, the throttle and things like that, and where we will be able to study how does the motor respond with respect to the vehicle tractive characteristics. With this way, we can even do the simulations at our MATLAB and Simulink, and then come and compare and correlate the results of that simulation by doing the practical testing. So this is also a practical lab facility that we provide for our students who are part of the master course in electric vehicle powertrain development and validation as well. So thank you.